Ready for well.
Hello everybody, it's Harry here from Worth South Africa, and today we take a closer look at the Worth pipe cutter. As you can see, this pipe cutter is ideal for cutting pipes from a 3 to a 35mm. Big knob for easy adjusting. It's got steel spindle bearings for smoother carriage movement, and it's very easy to use. You put your pipe in there, side to side, and a light turn of the handle. Every time you go around, you tighten it a bit more, a little quarter of an inch, and the pipe cutter gives you a smooth cutting edge every time you do it. And as you can see, the Worth pipe cutter gives you a very fine cut on aluminium, copper and thin wall metal pipes. Thank you very much.